This is the Batyz TV6. It is a replacement lithium-ion battery for Dyson V6 electric handheld vacuums. So I was given this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you $32. They haven't paid me for my review, and so my opinions remain my own. Alright, so this is what the battery looks like. Let's go try putting this into my Dyson. Alright, this is my V6 Dyson. This specific one is the DC62. So to replace this battery, you first should empty the trash container by pushing this down, because we're going to be opening it now and we don't want to get too much dust on everything. So you push it down over a trash can to open it up to dump all the trash out. And then to get this guy off the bottom, you push and hold this a little bit more, and this guy kind of comes off and it's loose and you can wiggle it and get it off. So that's how you get this bottom part off. Now, once that bottom part is off, you'll have access to a screw here, and you always had access to a screw in the back there. So we are going to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove those two screws. There's the other screw. After you've removed the screw that was right there and the screw that was back here, the original battery will pull out. So now you can verify that yes, this battery does look like the original battery, and then you can slide it back in place like so, and you can test it at this point by pulling the trigger. Be careful if any dust's inside, so forth, so you can see it does work properly. And then we can put these two screws back in place. And they are the same length and same size, so it doesn't really matter which screw goes in which hole. And now you're done. You basically have replaced the battery. Only thing left is to get this guy back on, so it's kind of you put it in kind of at an angle. You have to get this little clip into the appropriate hole while also lining up this clip into the back there. I go in this guy first, like that, and then snap this guy into place. Once that's snapped into place, the vacuum is basically back together. You can put it on to charge and you're ready to go with your replacement battery.